How to uninstall Python 2.7 on a Mac OS X 10.6.4. I want to completely remove Python 2.7 from my Mac OS X 10.6.4. I managed to remove the entry from the path variable by reverting my .bash_profile. But I also want to remove all directories, files, symlinks, and entries that got installed by the Python 2.7 install package. I've got the install package from this URL. What directories / files / configuration file entries do I need to remove? Is there a list somewhere?
Do not attempt to remove any Apple-supplied system Python which are in /system /library and /usr /bin, as this may break your whole operating system. Note, the steps listed below do not affect the Apple-supplied Python 2.7, they only remove a third-party Python framework, like those installed by python.org installers. The complete list is documented here. Basically, all you need to do is the following. Remove the third-party Python 2.7 framework. Remove the Python 2.7 applications directory. Remove the symbolic links in /usr /local /bin that point to this Python version. See them using. And then run the following command to remove all the links. If necessary, edit your shell profile files to remove adding /library /framework /python.framework /version /2.7 to your path environment file. Depending on which shell you use, any of the following files may have been modified. /bash_login, /bash_profile, /cshrc, /profile, /tcshrc, /zshrc, and or /profile.
This one works. Description. It lists all the links, removes a character and then removes them.
Create the symlink to latest version. Close and open a new terminal, and try.
Trying to uninstall Python with will not remove the natively installed Python, but rather the version installed with brew.
If you installed it using the pkg installer, you can do or better, which will output something like you can now select which packages you will unlink, remove. This is the unlink documentation. In my example, you will type or in one single line. Important, unlink is not available anymore starting with Lion. As of Q1 2014, that would include Lion, Mountain Lion, and Mavericks. If anyone that comes to this instructions try to use it with Lion, should try instead to adapt it with what this post is saying, this URL, .pkg_files_on_mac_os_x.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.